Did you know that lemongrass tea not only refreshes your palate, but also offers a host of health benefits? This aromatic herbal tea, made from the stalks of the lemongrass plant, is packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants. From fighting fungal infections to promoting hair growth, let's explore the 9 amazing benefits of lemongrass tea. Fights fungal infections. Lemongrass tea has potent antifungal properties, making it a natural remedy against fungal infections. Studies show that the essential oils in lemongrass, particularly citral and limonene, inhibit the growth of fungi like Candida. Drinking lemongrass tea can help maintain a healthy balance of microorganisms in the body, preventing infections. Moreover, its anti-inflammatory effects reduce symptoms associated with fungal infections, such as itching and discomfort. Incorporating lemongrass tea into your diet may offer a simple and effective way to combat fungal overgrowth, especially in the digestive tract and skin. Regular consumption supports overall well-being by promoting a healthy internal environment. Acts as a natural deodorant. Lemongrass tea acts as a natural deodorant, providing an internal way to combat body odor. The antibacterial properties of lemongrass help reduce the growth of odor-causing bacteria. When consumed, the essential oils are excreted through sweat, imparting a fresh, citrusy scent. This effect not only masks unpleasant smells, but also addresses the root cause. Research indicates that lemongrass's antimicrobial activity can effectively manage body odor. Drinking lemongrass tea regularly supports a natural and holistic approach to personal hygiene. It's a refreshing way to stay odor-free without relying on chemical-laden deodorants. Additionally, it offers a pleasant aroma that enhances your overall freshness, supports oral health. Lemongrass tea supports oral health by combating bacteria that cause gum disease and cavities. The antimicrobial compounds in lemongrass, such as citral, help reduce plaque and oral pathogens. Drinking this tea can soothe gum inflammation and promote a healthy mouth environment. Studies suggest that lemongrass's natural oils inhibit the growth of bacteria like Streptococcus mutans, a primary contributor to tooth decay. Incorporating lemongrass tea into your daily routine can enhance oral hygiene practices, complementing regular brushing and flossing. This natural remedy offers a flavorful and beneficial addition to maintaining a clean and healthy mouth. Additionally, it helps keep breath fresh and pleasant. Enhances cognitive function. Drinking lemongrass tea can enhance cognitive function, offering mental clarity and improved focus. Rich in antioxidants, lemongrass helps protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Research indicates that its compounds can enhance memory and cognitive performance by reducing oxidative damage in the brain. Additionally, the calming properties of lemongrass tea alleviate stress and anxiety, indirectly boosting cognitive abilities. Regular consumption supports overall brain health, making it an excellent choice for those seeking to maintain sharp mental faculties. Enjoying a cup of lemongrass tea can be a simple, natural way to enhance cognitive function and mental clarity. Furthermore, it provides a calming ritual that enhances mental relaxation. Alleviates menstrual cramps. Lemongrass tea alleviates menstrual cramps through its anti-inflammatory and muscle-relaxing properties. The natural compounds in lemongrass, such as eugenol, help reduce the intensity of cramps by relaxing uterine muscles. Studies have shown that lemongrass can effectively diminish pain and discomfort during menstruation. Drinking this tea regularly during menstrual cycles provides a soothing effect, easing pain and improving mood. Its calming properties also help manage associated symptoms like anxiety and irritability. Incorporating lemongrass tea into your routine offers a natural, holistic approach to managing menstrual cramps and enhancing overall well-being during that time of the month. Promotes hair growth. Lemongrass tea promotes hair growth by nourishing the scalp and strengthening hair follicles. Rich in vitamins and minerals, it provides essential nutrients that support healthy hair development. The antimicrobial properties of lemongrass help reduce scalp infections and dandruff, creating an optimal environment for hair growth. Research suggests that massaging lemongrass-infused oil into the scalp can improve blood circulation, stimulating hair follicles. Drinking lemongrass tea complements topical treatments by delivering nutrients from within. This dual approach can lead to healthier, thicker hair. Incorporating lemongrass tea into your diet and hair care routine supports natural hair growth and overall scalp health, provides respiratory relief. Lemongrass tea provides respiratory relief, making it a natural remedy for colds and congestion. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties help soothe the respiratory tract and clear mucus. Studies have shown that lemongrass can reduce symptoms of bronchitis and asthma by relaxing the muscles in the airways. Drinking this tea can alleviate coughing and ease breathing difficulties, offering comfort during respiratory infections. Additionally, the warm steam from the tea helps open nasal passages. Incorporating lemongrass tea into your routine during cold and flu season supports respiratory health and provides a natural way to alleviate symptoms. Regular consumption can also prevent the onset of respiratory issues. Balances blood sugar levels. Balancing blood sugar levels is another benefit of drinking lemongrass tea. Research indicates that lemongrass has hypoglycemic properties, helping to regulate blood sugar. The compounds in lemongrass improve insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for those with diabetes or at risk of developing the condition. Regular consumption of lemongrass tea can prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar, promoting steady energy levels throughout the day. Additionally, its antioxidant properties help protect pancreatic cells, which produce insulin. Incorporating lemongrass tea into your diet supports a natural approach to maintaining healthy blood sugar levels and overall metabolic health. It is a simple addition to a diabetes-friendly lifestyle. Boosts liver function. Lemongrass tea boosts liver function by aiding in detoxification and protecting liver cells. The antioxidants in lemongrass help combat oxidative stress, reducing the risk of liver damage. Studies have shown that lemongrass can enhance the liver's ability to process and eliminate toxins from the body. Drinking this tea supports liver health by promoting the production of bile, which is essential for digestion and fat metabolism. Regular consumption can also help reduce inflammation in the liver, improving its overall function. Incorporating lemongrass tea into your diet provides a natural way to support liver health and detoxification processes. How to make lemongrass tea? To make lemongrass tea, chop 2-3 fresh lemongrass stalks into small pieces and add them to a pot with 2 cups of water. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 5-10 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup and enjoy hot or iced, optionally adding honey or lemon for extra flavor. Can I drink lemongrass tea every day? Yes, you can drink lemongrass tea daily. It is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderate amounts. However, if you have any underlying health conditions or are pregnant, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before making it a daily habit. How does lemongrass tea help with digestion? Lemongrass tea aids digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce bloating and discomfort, while its antimicrobial effects keep harmful bacteria at bay, promoting a healthy gut environment. Can lemongrass tea help with weight loss? Lemongrass tea can support weight loss by boosting metabolism and acting as a natural diuretic, which helps eliminate excess water weight. Additionally, its digestive benefits can contribute to better nutrient absorption and overall digestive health, aiding in weight management. How should I store fresh lemongrass for tea? Store fresh lemongrass in the refrigerator, wrapped in a damp paper towel and placed in a plastic bag. This keeps it fresh for up to 2 weeks. You can also freeze chopped lemongrass in an airtight container for longer storage, retaining its flavor and nutritional benefits. For more contents like this, click here to subscribe.